And here's I will show you the exact way to post long video on your Instagram story. First of all, we have to install our app. So go to your Play Store and search for Video Split for Instagram. And here we have to use this app. So all you have to need install this free Story Cutter long video split app on your phone. Once done, go ahead and launch the app and here tap on select video. And now from your gallery, select the long video. And here we can see the video, add date, and here select Instagram, and each story is 15 seconds. So here make sure to select 15 seconds and the video will be split in 5 different parts. So here you can see total 5 stories. Now just tap on done. And here it may take some minutes to completely split all parts. So be patient in these steps. Once successfully split, now you can go ahead and post splitted videos one by one by tapping on share. But in my case, I'm going to publish these all splitted videos at once. So here's some tapping on share. And now we have to tap on watch ad to share stories. And here, where you want to share, select Instagram and select stories. And this app will automatically add all of your splitted videos on your Instagram. So here we can see the first part, here is the second part, third part, fourth part, and the last part. Now all you have to need to tap on next, tap on share, and that's it. You have successfully published your long video on your Instagram story. So it may take some moments to upload all part on your Instagram story. Thanks for watching.